enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Most of us love fried food and fritters are the easiest of them all. Potato, onion, spinach fritters are very common. You can learn to make fritters my way. Have you ever tried fritters made out of cashew nuts? This is a recipe that I learned from one of my friends. They are made with cashews, onion and few curry leaves. Very easy and very delicious. Let's see how I make these special fritters today. Please note the ingredients needed to make cashew fritters. List is also given in description below. First of all, I would like to tell you that I have 1 cup of cashews, that's approximately 120 grams. And similarly, I got 1 medium-sized onion, that is again 120 gram by weight approximately. Slice the onions in this way. Now in a bowl, take cashew nuts. If you want, you can split them into twos, but I am using whole cashews. Add in the sliced onion, few curry leaves. Now some condiments to your taste like salt, red chili powder and garam masala. Don't forget to check out the recipe of aromatic garam masala. That's very potent. Now mash everything with your hands. In this way, we are forcing the onions to give out some water. Add in gram flour to this. Mixing and mashing continues so that the moisture given out by onion is absorbed by gram flour. Now add water gradually and make a nice mixture out of it. I will not call it a batter because it's not flowy, it's thick like this. Gram flour just coats the cashews and onion here. Now let this rest for about 10 minutes so that the cashews also become little soft and they are not too hard when you munch on the fritters later. Meanwhile, heat sufficient oil for deep frying on medium-high heat. After 10 minutes, I have added a few chili flakes. Drop in about a teaspoon full of fritter mixture in hot oil. Do not disturb initially, after which splash hot oil over. I have a smaller pan, so I'm using a smaller spoon and I'm very much comfortable doing this. Use your favorite wok, use your favorite pan, use your favorite spoons. Flip and fry. This will not take a lot of time because there is nothing that would remain raw or uncooked here. Once the fritters turn golden, remove them using a slotted spatula and you're good to go. Enjoy these yummy hot cashew fritters with chutney, sauce or dip of choice. So whenever you are in a mood of fritters and you want something different, try these cashew nut fritters. But in moderation, because too much of fried food and too much of cashews is not very healthy. Thanks for watching.